Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to swap the server region in 7 Deadly Sins Origins. Let's begin by pressing the escape key or the menu button on your controller. From there, select Return to Login screen. This may take a second. Right now, you can select the grayed out box. For me, it's located in Europe, auto-selected in Europe. But if you wish to manually change it, you can. Now you can select from one of the 5 locations, 2 in America, West and East, 1 in Europe, 1 in Asia, and 1 in Southeast Asia. Select your preferred server region and click Select. Of course, this is not a recommended server for me. This may worsen my experience. I simply click Confirm, and as you can see, I'm switched to America East right now. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.